intermediate tap dance warm-up. That's what we're going to do. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com. All you have to do is follow along and have a good time. Let's jump in. Toes, here we go! 1 and 2 and 3 and oh yeah! Heels, same pattern!
Snaps and slaps, the sound is ringing.
Woo!
Come on, sugar, shuffle the
Now you have toe,
tonight.
toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. Faster, go!
Bass is bouncing, so it's sliding.
And rotate!
Beats are counting, no use hiding. Come on, sugar, tap until the mood feels right.
Keep it going! Now step heel! Step, 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 heel, step, heel, step, step, step.
Music's loud and clear, and your feet can't help but move.
Dig toe! Dig toe, dig toe, dig, dig toe, dig toe, dig toe, dig toe, dig, dig toe, dig toe.
Just grab your shoes,
It's tricky!
dance to the song.
Now you have step, heel, dig toe, dig toe. Faster! Stand, 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 step, stand, step.
Bells are drumming, tempo's slow and the break is coming.
And faster, go!
Come on, sugar, let's tap into the
Rotate.
night.
Now you have stand, step, stand, step, stand, step, stand, step, step, step.
Sway and shuffle with no ending.
And faster!
Come on, sugar, let's tap those stars and bright.
And now you have plump, heel, step, plump, heel, step, 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 plump, heel, step, plump, heel, step, and faster, go!
When those steps begin to spark like a fire in the dark, just grab your shoes and dance to the
And now you have toe, hop, step, a lap, a lap. A lap, a lap. Now shuffle, step. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. Hop! Hop, shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop.
We're being so aware.
Keep it even.
Elbows rise up and start to sing.
Heel. Heel shuffle, heel shuffle, heel shuffle, step.
Right, let the rhythm light up the night. Set your taps free and let those
Now
rhythms
toe shuffle, toe shuffle, toe shuffle, toe shuffle, step.
when the rhythm pulls you near and the music's loud
Buffalo,
and clear.
buffalo,
When your
buffalo,
feet can't
step,
help
step.
but move along.
Double.
When your steps begin to spark like a fire in the dark, just grab your shoes and dance
Yeah. Woo! Double grand roll, same pattern. Yeah. Walk log. Step to bubble ting, step to bubble ting, step, step. All right, beautiful, my friends. That is your warm-up. Now I want to jump into a little bit of technique for our triple time step or our buck triple time step. Typically it's done like this: 8, 1 and a 2, a 3, a 4, 5 and a 6, a 7, 8. But I see a lot of students have a real big problem going from the hop into the shuffle. And I'm going to detail that right here in this video, so check that out and make sure you're not making the same mistake.